So guys, just recently I found out that you can now run ads on TikTok as a Nigerian or maybe as an African. If you're watching this right now and you're a business owner and you are thinking of how to run ads on TikTok, then this video is for you. I found out on my TikTok that I could actually run ads on TikTok. Okay, so I just quickly want to show you what I found out on my TikTok as far as running ads on TikTok is concerned. If this is your first time of coming onto my channel, my name is Awajimam Isioto, and on this channel I teach you how to make money online and I show you stuff that you can do that can help you grow your business, all right, and make money for yourself. So quickly, just like this video, subscribe to this video, and make sure to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss the updates that I'll be dropping on this channel. All right, so having said that, let's quickly jump into my TikTok and let me show you what I found out about running ads on TikTok. Now, what you should know is that you need to look out for some of these things, okay? Because we are still not fully certain about the expectations of TikTok as regards running ads from third world countries like Nigeria, like some African countries, okay? Especially those of you watching from Nigeria. If you're a Nigerian watching this now, then pay very close attention to what I want to show you in this video. Okay, so let's go to TikTok. I'll open my TikTok and I just want to see and show you some of what I saw. Okay guys, sorry for that. Let's just quickly, when you get onto TikTok, you start seeing videos playing automatically. So let's just look at one of my videos here and see what I'm talking about when it comes to running ads on TikTok. So I'll click on this one. That was where I found the... Some people work 9 to 5. Some people work... Good. Now look at this place. Look at this place below here. This place has this arrow is pointing. You can see it says promote video to get more views. That's a sign of an advert. All right, so I'll just click on it and let's see what it will show us. Now if you don't see that on your video, okay, go to one of your videos, any of your videos that has more likes or more views or more following or more comments. Just check. By now you should be seeing something like that. So but I just want to show you this using this video. Good. Now look at what TikTok is showing me. Say choose your goal. Choose your goal, meaning that the goal can be, you can decide that you want to boost your account, you can decide that you want to get more sales, you can decide that you want to get leads. Okay, now you can choose more videos under the boost account. You can decide that you want to have more video views, you can decide that you want to have more followers, you can decide that you want to have more profile views. Okay, so underneath that, now they're telling me that I can promote that particular video to get either more views or to get more followers or to get more profile views. Are you getting now? So look at, if you look at below here, you can see the price package. You can see that to get 3,200 plus views, video views in a day, it means that I will pay 990 naira. Here is saying if I want to get video views, 9,400 plus video views in one day, I'll need to pay 2,880 naira. The next one is saying if I want to get 16,100 plus views, video views in a day, I'll need to pay 4,950 naira. Can you see all of it? And it's telling me that I'll have to click on the agree button. So whichever one I choose here, I need to click on the agree button and then click on recharge. Now they charge you from the points on TikTok. Are you getting now? They charge you from your points. You have to load money, all right, and then they charge you from your point. Now however, let me even go, before I go to what I want to say now, let me go to these other goals. We have the first goal, which is to boost your account. The second goal is if you want to get sales, like for instance you sell something online, all right, if you sell anything online, you might want to use this get sales. Okay, now this get sales option, now once I click on it, you can see it will give me other options. Let's wait. Are you seeing now? So it's giving me option for me to fill in my URL. Okay, it's giving me option for me to fill my URL. What it means, what URL means is the link to my website or a landing page that I have. Now, what URL here means is asking me to insert the link to my website or the link to my landing page or the link to somewhere where I'm directing people to. Are you getting now? So they will have to click to learn more, or to click to shop now, or to click to sign up, or contact us, or apply now, or book now. But I'm not doing that now because I'm not running ad. I just want to show you how this works. Okay, so I'll go out of here. The next one is to get leads. All right, to get leads. Can you see it? Let me show you. Can you see? If I want to send people to a particular place, are you getting it now? So all I'll just do, once I'm set with whatever I want, I will choose the option and then I'll click recharge. All right, however, pay attention to this now. However, there are some things that should be in place before you decide to run these ads. If you watch this video and you finish watching this video and you rush and you want to go and do ads, your account might get banned. Are you getting it now? Your account might get banned. Okay, so what are those things that are important that you need to look at? Because right now we are still a bit careful, especially those of us in Nigeria and other African countries. We are still a bit very careful about how we do these ads on TikTok, because TikTok has not yet fully rolled out the opportunity for us to fully run ads. All right, as at now that I'm running this video, is not fully certain. So if you go and rush to say you want to run an ad, your account might get banned. So you need to listen to what I want to say. Some of the things you need to pay attention to is, don't run these ads directly from your phone. You have to use VPN to mask your location. That's number one. Number two, you cannot pay for ads from your local bank account. That's another thing to take note of. You cannot pay for your ad from your local bank account, meaning that you need to have a virtual dollar account. All right, if you don't have a virtual dollar account and you want to learn how to create that, you want to have one, you want someone to help you set that up, just go to the link in the description, drop a comment for me. All right, with a virtual dollar account, you can pay for anything online. All right, you can pay for anything. If you want to pay for ads, you can pay or buy stuffs online using your virtual dollar account. So you need a virtual dollar account to do this successfully. Another point is that you need to set up a TikTok business manager account. You cannot just run it from your normal TikTok. Very, very important. So these are 3 points I've mentioned. Now, the last point I will mention is that if you want to get the best out of your ad, you should have a landing page or a website. These two things are very important. You should have either a landing page or you should have a website. Okay, now you might be saying, okay, I don't have the budget to have a website. If you have the budget to build a website, you should have a website. If you don't know how to build a website, if you need someone to help you create a website, build a website that is fully functional, go to the comment section and drop a comment for me, or check the link in the description. I'll drop a link there for you. I can help you build a website. All right, if you don't have a landing page, you can build one for yourself, irrespective of whatever you sell. Maybe you're a vendor, you sell clothes, you sell shoes, you sell whatever you sell. You can build a landing page, a one-page website, all right, that can collect orders for you. If you want to learn how to do that, or you want to build that for your business, drop a comment in the comment section or go to the link in the description. Check the links. Okay, so these are 4 important things you should look at. Now, number 5 that is very important. You must make sure that the video that you want to run the ads on must be video that is getting engagement. Are you getting now? It must be a video that is getting engagement. You don't just want to run ads on a video that is just having 1 like and 1 comment. No, you want to make sure that you are pushing your best content. Are you getting now? So these are 5 important things you should look at when you are running your ads. For now, like I said before, this is still under review. Like, TikTok has not fully given us the opportunity to do this full time as Nigerians. All right. So for now, we still have different things we are looking at. Okay. So once it's fully out, maybe by the time, maybe 2 weeks from now, 1 week from now, 1 month from now, 6 months from now, depending on the time we're creating this video. Okay. When that is agreed upon, all right, we might be able to run our ads directly without any restrictions. Okay. So this is the 5 things you need to look at when you're running your ads. If you learned something from this video, which I believe you did, kindly tap the like button, kindly tap the subscribe button, and make sure to turn on the notification bell so that when I put out more videos, you will always be notified. If you have questions for me, drop it in the comment section. If you want to build a website, you want to build a landing page, you want to learn how to make money for yourself, go to the link in the description. Check for all these things, and I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.